Good morning, learners. Welcome to online class of Gordhana College High School. On behalf of Jaldaka Bhartswal School, first of all, I would like to introduce with you, this is Shopul Roy, Assistant Teacher English. Dear learners, I hope you will be ready with your exercise book and English second paper of class 8, 9 and 10. Thus, I would like to share with you about paragraph. How can we write a model paragraph? At first, we have to know what is paragraph. At first, we have to know about the definition of paragraph. We know generally a paragraph is a group of some sentences which helps to develop a particular topic. Learners, you can copy in your exercise book about the definition of paragraph. Before writing a model paragraph, we should follow some rules and regulations. According to questions, learner will decide exact title. Every word will be started with capital letter in the title, except article and preposition. When article or preposition set up at the beginning, then those words follow the same activity. After finishing the title, we would not use full stop. Learners, look at the marker board. At this situation, I will write a topic. How can we will write a topic in a paragraph at the examination hall? Learners, look at the marker board. Natural disaster in Bangladesh. I was written in every words with capital letter. You can see here in here D, finally B. I would not use any capital letter in the preposition. Writing a model paragraph, we should include three main elements. They are a topic sentence, topic sentence, supporting sentences, finally conclusion sentence. Learners, we should know how can we write a topic sentence in a paragraph. The topic sentence is the first sentence in the paragraph. We can say it is an opening sentence for a paragraph. The topic sentence states the main idea of the paragraph, that is, it shows what the whole paragraph is about. Now, students, we have to know what is supporting sentences. So, how can we write supporting sentences? Learners, supporting sentences are used to develop the topic sentence. In other words, they give more information about the topic sentence. Supporting sentence can give facts, statistics, details, or examples. Then we have to know how can we write a conclusion sentence. We should know how can we write a conclusion sentence in a paragraph. That's the conclusion sentence is the last sentence in the paragraph. It usually restates the topic sentence in different words or summarize the main points of the paragraph. Learners, a paragraph structure is like as hamburger. You know, a hamburger has three parts. Which are these? A top bun, bread. Next, learners, meat and toppings. Meat and toppings. Finally, a bottom bun. Learners, a paragraph structure is like as a hamburger. We can see three parts of a paragraph or three stages of a paragraph. First one, we have got topic sentence. Next, supporting sentences. Finally, conclusion. A burger also have three parts. First part is a top bun, second part meat and toppings, and last part is a bottom bun. Okay learners, enjoy the next online class. See you again. Thank you. Thanks to all.